Hello, today we will guide you through how to create Pi on Trading 212. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a brand new investment Pi from scratch. A Pi is a simple way to group multiple stocks or ETFs into one portfolio that you can track and manage together. We'll keep things clear and straightforward, adding helpful tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect on each screen. First, open the Trading 212 platform in your browser or the app. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top of the screen for the Pi icon. It's typically shown as a circular graphic in the navigation bar. Click that icon to enter the Pies section, where you can view existing Pies and start new ones. Inside the Pies area, choose Create a Pi. This takes you to the setup flow. You'll see options to build your Pi in different ways. Select the option to create a custom Pi. Custom means you're in control of which instruments go in and what share each one holds inside the Pi. Next, add at least one instrument. Select a sample symbol to add so you can see how the process works. A symbol, sometimes called a ticker, is the short code for a stock or ETF. You can search by name or ticker and then select it to include it. If you want to experiment, add just one to get familiar with the flow. You can always adjust later. When your chosen symbol appears in the draft Pi, click. Continue. This moves you forward to a brief overview. Here you can check what you've added and make sure it looks right. If the platform shows any basic allocation defaults, don't worry. You're simply progressing through the setup, and you can fine-tune details afterward. Click Next to proceed. You'll come to a screen where you can give your Pi a name. Enter a sample Pi name that helps you recognize its goal or theme. Clear, descriptive names make it easier to keep track of multiple Pis over time. Finally, click Create Pi. The platform will confirm that your Pi has been set up. From here, your Pi is ready to view in the Pies section. You can return to it whenever you like to explore performance, organize holdings, and continue building your strategy at your own pace. That's it. Your custom Pi is created. Thanks for following along, and enjoy managing your investments with the simplicity and structure that Pies provide.